Hey there, science fans! Have you ever stopped to think about the incredible chemistry happening all around us, even in the food we eat? Get ready to explore with me as we unlock the secrets of some everyday compounds you might not even realize are quietly shaping our world. We're talking lactose, lactic acid, salicylic acid, even something called linoleic acid. We'll uncover their unique properties, from fueling our bodies to fighting acne. So buckle up, get your safety goggles on, because we're diving into the fascinating world of everyday chemistry.
First up, let's talk about lactose. When you think of milk, you might think of creamy deliciousness, maybe with some cookies. But did you know there's a whole lot of chemistry going on in every sip? Lactose is a sugar, and just like the sugar we sprinkle on our cereal, it's a carbohydrate. It's actually a disaccharide, which is a fancy way of saying it's made up of two smaller sugar molecules linked together, glucose and galactose. When we drink milk or eat dairy products, our bodies break down the lactose into those smaller glucose and galactose molecules. These simple sugars are then absorbed into our bloodstream, where they travel to our cells and provide the fuel we need to power through our day. Chemistry is pretty cool, right?
Next up on our chemical adventure, we're taking a look at lactic acid. You know that burning sensation you get in your muscles when you're working out really hard? Well, lactic acid plays a role in that. But lactic acid isn't just about muscle fatigue. It's actually found in a lot of different places, from the food we eat to the skincare products we use. Lactic acid is what gives fermented dairy products like yogurt, cheese, and even sourdough bread their characteristic tangy flavor. It's produced by bacteria that gobble up lactose and convert it into lactic acid. Lactic acid is a type of alpha-hydroxy acid, or AHA, and it's often used in skincare products because of its ability to exfoliate the skin. So from fueling our muscles to giving our yogurt its tang, lactic acid is one versatile compound.
Okay, science fans, let's talk about something that affects millions of people, especially us teenagers, acne. But did you know that a naturally occurring compound called salicylic acid is a powerful tool in the fight against those pesky pimples? Salicylic acid is what we call a beta-hydroxy acid, or BHA, and it's found in the bark of willow trees. For centuries, people have been using willow bark to relieve pain and inflammation, but it turns out that salicylic acid is also a skincare superhero. Salicylic acid is a keratolytic, which is a fancy way of saying it helps to break down the outer layer of our skin. This is super helpful when it comes to acne because it can penetrate deep into our pores and clear out all the gunk that can lead to breakouts. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help to reduce the redness and swelling associated with acne. That's a lot of atoms working together to keep our skin clear and healthy.
Okay, science fans, let's talk about fat. Now, I know what you're thinking. Fat, isn't that bad for you? Well, not all fats are created equal. In fact, some fats are essential for our bodies to function properly, and one of those fats is linoleic acid. Linoleic acid is what's called an omega-6 fatty acid, and it's considered essential because our bodies can't produce it on their own. That means that we need to get it from our diet. Linoleic acid plays a crucial role in maintaining the structure of our cell membranes. Without healthy cell membranes, our cells wouldn't be able to function properly. Linoleic acid also helps to regulate our immune system, keeping it functioning at its best. So make sure you're getting enough of this essential fatty acid in your diet to keep your body functioning at its best. Quick fact: monounsaturated fats have one double bond, while polyunsaturated fats like linoleic acid boast multiple double bonds.
Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today. From the sweetness of lactose in our milk to the acne-fighting power of salicylic acid, we've seen how these everyday compounds play a vital role in our lives. The world of chemistry is vast and endlessly fascinating, with new discoveries being made all the time. So the next time you're enjoying a glass of milk or reaching for that acne cream, take a moment to appreciate the amazing chemistry happening right before your eyes. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, science rules, stay curious.